Gino Rivero,
I'm Ryan Chum.
and these are your middle school morning announcements.
In recognition of Black History Month, the Pittsburgh Pirates organization is sponsoring the Jackie Robinson Art, Essay, and Poetry Contest. Students are asked to display their knowledge of Jackie Robinson to their interpretations of Robinson's 9 values for success. Prizes include pirate tickets, autographed items, the opportunity to participate in a pregame awards ceremony with pirate celebrities, and many more. Please see your language arts teacher for more details. Deadline entries are Tuesday, March 10th.
New book orders are in. Your language arts teacher has the latest book orders, which are due Wednesday, January 14th. If you want to participate in an after-school sewing event, join Miss Kronk after school tomorrow, Tuesday, January 13th, to make fleece hats and scarves. The items we make will be donated to the Beaver County Children and Youth Services. The event will be held after school until 4 p.m. Make sure that you have signed up on the sheet outside of Miss Kronk's room, C5.
There are no middle school birthdays today. I'm Ryan Chum.
And I'm Gino Rivero.
And those were your middle school morning announcements.